Hello friends, hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. Allah may be bless you. Elegant chiffon dresses with half sleeve and less detailing, ideal for semi formal to formal weddings. Floor length shirt dresses with V neckline, pleated bodies, and thin high slit, suitable for both indoor and outdoor event. Chiffon aligned dresses with a relaxed fit, perfect for beach or garden weddings. Plump greens aligns dresses with sheer puff sleeves and a breezy chiffon shirt, great for spring or summer weddings. Figure flattering sheet dress with a thin height slide, suitable for formal evening weddings. Opt for lightweight material like chiffon or crepe to ensure comfort and breathability. Soft house such as Brusteroids, navy or plum are elegant and versatile. Pair with the suitable jewelry and comfortable heels or flat to complete the look. Consider adding lace or chiffon for adding chiffon aligned dresses with a relaxed fit, perfect for beach or garden weddings. Plum purple aligned dresses with sheer cup sleeves and a breezy chiffon shirt, great great for spring or summer weddings. Figure flattering sheet